What's up everyone, I'm Manik from Max Universe. In this video, I'll be doing the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus and its design comparison with the Apple AirPods Pro. As you can see, this is how the box looks like. The price of this Truly Wireless Earbuds is currently on sale and is around Rs 8500 with all the applied discounts and offers. And I bought this one from Amazon and the same offer can be availed from all the offline stores up until 31st of August. So without further ado, let's begin with the unboxing. As we mentioned, these two comes with wireless charging and fast charge support. It can run up to 11 hours on a single charge and additional 11 hours with a case, making it a massive 22 hours of usage in total, which is by far one of the best in the competition. This one is black in color and two other options are available, which are cloud blue and white. Just as we open the box, we can see some basic information for the earbuds, and on the upper side of the casing, we can see there is a user manual and warranty information just in case you need them. And yes, I should mention these are made in Vietnam and not China. Now, here we can see the accessories that comes along with these earbuds, and upon opening the accessory box, we can see a USB to Type-C cable for charging, which comes along with a fast charge support and claims 1 hour of usage within 3 minutes of charge. And here we have some additional ear tips and fittings so that you can fit them according to your ear size or according to your liking. So keeping aside all of these ear tips and everything else, now let's have a moment on this cute little black thing all covered in a white wrap. And upon removing this white wrap, you can now have a look at the case of these earbuds, which is all glossy and has a very good shine. And yeah, it's a fingerprint magnet at the same time. So let's have a look from all the angles, and we can see that there is a charging Type-C port at the back. So upon opening up the case, we can see the earbuds resting in all its glory. These are some indicators for left and right and not buttons. And above that we have an indicator light, and this is how it looks from inside. And just below the front of this case, we can see the battery indicator, which really needs a charge. And now let's have a clear close-up look at the earbud itself. And I must say, this one looks really good to the eyes because of the shiny texture it carries. So that was all for the unboxing of these cool earbuds. And now coming on to the best part of the video, comparing the design of these earbuds with those of the Apple AirPods Pro, which can cost you around 22 to 24,000 rupees in India. And here we have the Apple AirPods Pro sitting next to the Buds Plus. And now I'm gonna let you do the math and decide which one of these looks better, and tell me down in the comment section. As you know, looks are always subjective and I have no intentions on debating on a person's choice. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.